of Zion. You are Yahweh, 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 Korabalastalia, the King of. We bow down and worship Yahweh,
Yahweh,
yes. Oh, we bow down and worship Yahweh. Sole pelie me coperada talia, ostenia nama. Oh Yahweh, Yahweh, oh my Yahweh, Yahweh, siete pelado preparado. Oh Yahweh. To the left, to the left, to the left. Oh God, hallelujah. To the left, to the left. Oh God. To the left, to the left. Oh God, lift your voice high. To the left, to the left. So God, to the left. Oh, see, let me have that place. Say, oh, God. Hallelujah. To the left. Lift your hands and worship. Say, oh, God. Hallelujah. To the left, to the left, say yes, go. Hallelujah. To the left, to the left. 30 seconds. Open your mouth and worship. Fire falling upon the seas and establishing upon the God in His holy place. He who has clean hands and a pure heart, who has not lifted up his soul to an idol, but run deceitfully, he shall receive blessing from the Lord and righteousness from the God of Jacob. This is Jacob, the generation of those who seek Him. Lift up your heads, all you gates, and be ye lifted up, you everlasting doors, and the King of glory shall come in. Oh God! Oh God! To the left, to the left. Can't you hear the sound of heaven? It's like the sound of many waters. It's the sound of worship coming from the throne. There are cries of adoration as men from every nation lift their voice to make His glory known. Singing, holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. The elders and the angels, we the redeemed worship you now. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Holy, holy are you, Lord Almighty. Worthy, Lord, worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. You are holy, you are holy. Worship in the Spirit. Open your mouth and pray. Worship in the Spirit. Worship in the Spirit. Worship in the Spirit.